Running a small business in the UK can be quite a challenge, can't it? Then you've probably heard of VAT, value-added tax. It's a tax added to most goods and services sold. Essentially, it's the taxman's cut of most goods and services sold. Every time you make a sale, a portion goes to the government. Now, dealing with VAT can be a headache, especially for small businesses. The paperwork, the calculations, it can all get overwhelming. That's where the VAT flat rate scheme comes in. It's a simplified VAT scheme for small businesses in the UK. Instead of tracking every single penny of VAT you charge and pay, you pay a fixed percentage of your VAT-inclusive turnover. This makes VAT accounting easier and more predictable, saving you time and reducing stress. Let's dive in and see how it works. The flat rate scheme is designed to make life easier for small businesses. Imagine ditching all those fiddly VAT calculations and receipts. With this scheme, you pay a fixed rate of VAT based on your industry. This means less paperwork and more time to focus on what you do best. Running your business, it's like a shortcut through the VAT maze. Not every business can join the flat rate scheme party. There are a few rules to see if you qualify. Firstly, your VAT taxable turnover, excluding VAT, cannot exceed £150,000 in the next year. Secondly, there are some businesses that are excluded, like those involved in finance or making exempt supplies. So, check the HMRC website to see if your business type is eligible. Perks of the flat rate benefits for your business. The flat rate scheme comes with some attractive perks. First and foremost, it simplifies your VAT accounting, no more complex calculations. Second, it can potentially save you money, especially if your business has low input VAT. And lastly, it provides greater certainty over your VAT liability, making it easier to budget and plan ahead. Not always a perfect fit. Limitations to keep in mind. While the flat rate scheme offers many advantages, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It can simplify your accounting process and save time, but it may not be suitable for every business type. There are some limitations to consider. For instance, businesses with high VAT reclaimable expenses might find it less beneficial. If you regularly make VAT reclaimable purchases, you might lose out on claiming back the full amount. This could impact your overall profitability. Also, if your business grows and your turnover exceeds the threshold, you'll need to leave the scheme. This transition can be complex and requires careful planning. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully to see if it's the right fit for your business. Consider consulting with an accountant to make an informed decision. Applying Made Easy, your step-by-step guide. Ready to join the flat rate scheme? Good news, it's easy to apply. You can apply online through the HMRC website or by post. You'll need your VAT registration number, your national insurance number if you're a sole trader, and your business bank account details. Once your application is approved, you can start using the scheme from the beginning of your next VAT period. Flat rate scheme, your VAT simplified. Is it right for you? So there you have it, the VAT flat rate scheme in a nutshell. It's a great option for many small businesses, offering simplicity and potential savings, but it's not suitable for everyone. Take the time to crunch the numbers, weigh the pros and cons, and decide if it's the right move for your business. Remember, when it comes to VAT, knowledge is power.